Kathy Ongert is a family law attorney who has been licensed to practice in Texas since 1989 and in Michigan since 2006. As an undergraduate, she studied at Western Michigan University and completed law school at South Texas College of Law. She founded her existing law firm of Dean and Ongert in 1990 and has been a partner of the firm ever since. In 2010, the firm changed names to Ongert and Ongert, but continued the firm's focus of helping clients through divorces, custody cases, modifications, child support disputes, and other family law matters. Ms. Ongert has a strong commitment to giving her clients zealous representation while providing them the tools to survive the legal process, not just from a legal standpoint, but from an emotional standpoint. Litigation can be frightening and impersonal, but Ms. Ongert helps guide and comfort her clients through the journey. Contact Ms. Ongert today for your free consultation. Talk with her about what your goals are and how she is the right lawyer for your needs.